wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best wall-mounted vacuums. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Specifically designed with auto care in mind, the Workshop Portable has several specialized attachments for interior detailing, allowing you to dust your dashboard and air vents, get into tight spaces and corners, and reach under seats and in between cushions. It's low maintenance with a quick release locking hose. However, it's not especially durable. At number 9, extremely compact, the garagevac GH120 takes up just 2.5 feet of wall space. It also comes with a crack and rust resistant steel wand that can be adjusted to different lengths, so you don't need to deal with storing multiple extension accessories. It's available in red, black or white and includes 2 filter bags, but the motor gets hot quickly. Coming in at number 8 on our list. If you need to do some heavy-duty cleaning, the shop-vac hands-free is up to the task. With a 4 peak horsepower motor, it provides powerful suction, even when you're using an extended hose, and anyone with a small garage will appreciate how little space it takes up. It can be used with or without a filter and comes with a crevice tool. However, it is annoyingly loud. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wall-mounted vacuums, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Ridgid Vac 5000 comes with a number of helpful hoses, cords and extension wands, all of which can be conveniently stored on the unit itself. This makes it easy to keep everything in one place, so you don't have to worry about things getting lost. It features a quick lock fastening system, a lighted car nozzle for visibility, and a muffler. Moving up our list to number 6. As long as a large capacity isn't your priority, the Craftsman 2.5 gallon should suit both your needs and your budget. It weighs less than 10 pounds, so it's a good choice if you need to move it around or if you'll be using it on board a boat. It's equipped with a large handle for easy carrying and a brush attachment. It offers a simple one-button operation. Halfway up our list at number 5. Featuring a rugged stainless steel tank, the Stanley hanging is built to last. It's also designed to be portable, so it doesn't take too much time or effort to move it, in case you want to loan it to a neighbor or use it in the house. It's available in a variety of capacities, all with a high-powered blower port. A floor brush is included too. At number 4, whether you need to suck up sawdust from a workbench or old French fries from a car, the Hoover Gov is a useful tool to have on hand. Since its filter is self-cleaning, you never have to worry about buying a new one to replace it. It comes with an attachment caddy and a canister that's easy to empty, along with a 3-year warranty. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the bagless Bissell Garage can tackle both wet and dry messes without any adjustments necessary. Among other attachments, it comes with an extra long 32-foot hose, so you should have no trouble reaching the far corners of your workshop. It features a see-through waste bin, easy-to-read LED indicators, and a simple installation. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wall-mounted vacuums, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, made of lightweight yet durable ABS plastic, the vacmaster 5 gallon packs an impressive punch, especially given its compact size. It has a switch on the handle of its hose, so you don't have to walk back to the base every time you want to turn it on and off. It's easy to remove and remount, and can also be used as a blower. The power cord is 20 feet long. And taking the top spot on our list, bundled together with plenty of helpful accessories, the vacumaid GV50 Pro makes a great addition to any workshop. It can provide powerful suction without getting too noisy, which is great news if you're worried about bothering your neighbors or your spouse. It comes with a powder-coated steel exterior and a tool storage bag. It's made in the USA. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wall-mounted vacuums, or simply click beneath this video.